Karina Garcia's pre-made slimes, which are gold, by the way, guys. They're so nice, so stretchy, so clicky, and so like, not stunted, but like smelly. But like smelly in a good way, you know? It smells like something smelly. Okay, anyways, and also if you don't know who the heck I am, I'm Ameerah Navalua. Yeah! AKA just Ameerah. I don't know if I did that right, but I did it. And you guys should make sure to press that subscribe button because I post videos every single day about a bunch of random stuff. Make sure you press that subscribe button and you guys comment down below if you did. And today's like button challenge is gonna be try to press the like button with your elbow. So like, Okay, and let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Okay, so first we're gonna pick a slime from here, guys. I love these slimes. Okay, so we're gonna do some eeny, miny, mo. Be quiet. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a slime cup by its toe. If it hollers, let it go, cause my mom said to pick the very best one, and you are not it. It's this one. Super slimy fact. Since we don't have time for all four of them, we're just gonna pick one. So we're gonna eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a slime by its toe. If it hollers, let her go, cause my mom said to pick the very best one, and you are not it. Am I even doing that right? I don't even know which one is it now. I'm gonna guess this one though. Oh, it's this one. Fire and ice. Okay, let's check this out. How you guys like the new table? You guys comment down below if you like the new table or not. Paul, a little help. There you go. Okay, here it is. Smells like nothing. So this is an orange slime with yellow glitter, gold glitter actually I think, and a bunch of diamonds. So I don't have these diamonds, so we're gonna have to like substitute that or just steal it from this one. But yeah, I think I can recreate this. I don't think this is gonna be too hard, so let's try it. All right. Okay, I'm all ready. I got all my stuff, and now let's start. I have some rice glue. Rice. I don't know exactly how to say it. It's weird. I shouldn't make too much though. Okay, now I'm gonna put some orange food coloring. Open that and yeet. Now I've got orange food coloring. I've added it to the collection of me wiping food coloring on my wrist because I get it on my finger. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of orange. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put some water. I'm gonna try and put it right there. Ooh, that looks cool, yeah. Okay, I feel like her slime is just a little bit thinner than the glue that I have, so yeah. And then I'm gonna add some of this. I thought that this would add to like the texture, because it kind of has like a store-bought putty texture, so I thought this would be good. So I'm gonna add some of this, and plus it is glitter glue, so you know it's a 2-in-1. So mix that into there. Okay, I think it needs to be a little bit like more orange. I think that's better. That's getting better. Maybe one more drop. I don't know. It's not turning that color I want. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and activate it. Okay, here is the slime I made, guys. It does not look good. It doesn't look like the slime. It looks good. It just doesn't look like the slime. Anyways, here it is, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add some red food coloring because I feel like that will help. Okay, I'm gonna put some red. Okay, I think I did a better job. Now we're gonna put some more glitter because that was not enough glitter. They put a lot of glitter in that, so you like glitter, gets Karina slimes. Here it is, guys. I think it just has a little bit too much glitter, and yeah, but I think it looks pretty good. Put some diamonds in there, and some diamonds in here, and ta-da! Okay, let's do some ASMR, guys. There it is. The diamonds don't really stay in here too much. And then here's mine. Can't really see the diamond. I think it also has to do with the fact that this is like cleared up already. Doesn't really have any bubbles. This one has a lot of bubbles because I just made it. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job in this round. I'm gonna go ahead and rate myself a 8 out of 10 because it's not quite there yet. I feel like the color's still a little bit off. And this one seems more like hot sauce and like buffalo sauce versus this one like looks like sweet and sour candy or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna rate myself a 8 out of 10. You guys comment down below your rate. And it's time for the next round. Okay. We got 3 packs left. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a slime by its toe. You are not it. This one, slimy soda. So this one is a slimy soda pack. Yes, that's the right one. Okay. Squish, 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 squish. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch one and you are not it. The purple one. Grape soda. Yeah. I love the soda pack, guys. It has such a nice texture. Yeah, I kind of did it. Okay, shove those back in there. And let's start recreating this, baby. Let's start. First, we're gonna get some Darice glue. Just a little bit, because I don't want to make too much, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and this time, I feel like if we put a little bit of this hair gel in it, it will give it that texture of like thinner, but at the same time softer. So let's try it out. So I think that should be a good amount. I'm using clear hair gel, guys. Okay, and it just completely turned blue. Sorry guys, this food coloring is really strong. The blue food coloring, I don't know. You guys, people who have been with me for a while know the struggles I have with this blue food coloring and how strong it is. Should I just restart? This is crazy. Okay, I want to restart, guys. Okay, round two, try two. So I'm only gonna put that much. Gonna put some hair gel and some food coloring. Now, I'm only gonna grab a teensy tiny bit. What the heck? I didn't even put that much. And then we're gonna put some pink. I'm only gonna put a drop too. I think this color is actually gonna be pretty good. So that's working, right? That's pretty good, I think. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna put a little more blue.
Oh, you're living on an edge.
Yeah, I'm on the edge, guys. I'm gonna put that much more blue. Whoa. Just a little more pink. We should be Gucci. I like it. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and activate it.
2,000 years later.
Yeah. That's right. Okay, here it is, guys. It did become like lighter because of the bubbles and stuff. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Oh my god, it's terrible. Stupid.
You stupid.
Anyways, here it is, guys. Here's the slime. I feel like it would be better if it was clear, you know? And the texture isn't really the texture I want. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give myself an 8 out of 10 on this one because the color is like kind of there, but this one is like a little bit more red. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah.
You're being too generous. I'll give you a 5.
Oh, thanks. Okay. You guys comment down below your rating and let's get on to the next one. Now we are doing the Galactic Slime Pack. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, and you are not it.
This one. Mine.
I have no instant at the moment, so let's just do this one. I am now ready to make this slime. So this one right, guys, here it is. It is like purplish reddish type deal. It's more red than purple, and it's got some purple glitters in it, which I do not have at the moment for some weird reason. I don't know where the heck they went. But anyways, I'm just gonna be using some gold glitter.
Gold?
Yes. Don't judge me. And it also has some fine black glitter and fine purple glitter, so I don't know if I have those, but wish me luck, guys. Okay, so first we're gonna put some glue. And we're gonna put some hair gel this time and some water. And we're gonna be making some purple. I'm gonna try and use red this time. So I got a little red, teensy bit of blue. Why did they just make pink? I put too much blue. I'm restarting. Try 2, take 2. So we put some glue, put some water, and some gel, of course. This time I'm gonna put some cayenne red. Okay, hopefully this looks good. It looks good, I think so. Okay, just gonna add a teensy bit of blue because I learned what happened last time. I think we need a little bit more cayenne red. I'm gonna put the glitter in now and like hopefully it changes the color a little bit. It is purple glitter, so we got purple glitter right here. That's my purple glitter I'm using. I know, really pretty. Now I gotta get some purple glitter. It has like purple glitter chunks. I'm using this. It's not the exact color, but it's all I have. So yeah. And then also some black glitter. This is the only one I have. I don't have like fine black glitter. I love how black glitter looks like. It looks so cool. You know what? Look at this. And then the glitter, like I said, did change the color. So we're gonna put some borax now. Okay, I'm all done, guys. Here it is. Yeah, doesn't it look great? You know, actually, I actually really like it. It doesn't have the color, of course. But yeah, and also all the glitter stayed on the bowl. Isn't that great? I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a 5 out of 10. You guys comment down below your rating, and let's get on to the next one. Coloring foul! No! No! What happened? Why? Okay, guys, it is time for the last round. Let's just ignore the sad loss we just had, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do this one, guys. I'm gonna pick the one I like because I like this one. Okay, so here's this one, guys. It is basically a blue slime and it has blue glitter. This one is really nice. I love the smell, the color, the glitter. So but first we're gonna get some glue, and then I'm gonna put some gel. Okay, we're gonna put this much blue. Okay, now I'm gonna put the glitter. Where's my glitter? Okay, there it is. This is a glitter that one of you guys gave to me. Okay, I think I need a little bit more blue in this. Okay, I think that's good now. Yeah, okay, let's activate it. It needs to be darker. Darker! Okay, let's activate it. finished. So here's the slime, guys. I started kneading it. A lot of the red came off of my hand. Went onto the slime. Now the slime does not look like that at all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a 0 out of 10 because it just looks like trash. Karina's is way better. You guys comment down below your rating on my slimes. I think I did a terrible job at recreating all these. I don't know. I don't think I did them very good, but you guys comment down below what you think. And that is it, guys. Love you so much, and I really, really hope I see you next time. Bye!